Now this is our project, and for concrete, what is the end value? We need to find out the volume, and in order to find out the volume, first of all we need cross-sectional area multiplied by height of the column is the total volume. So cross-sectional area is over here 225 by 225, so it is what 225 means 0.225 multiplied by 0.225. This is the total area. Or you can directly go into the Excel and you can put here length and the breadth as 225 by 225, and for height all you need to do is you need to take same as we did in the form work, 2775 I think it was, because we need to place the form work right from this position up till here, up till bottom of this beam, and then we need to pour the concrete in it. So this is the total height. What is this? 2775 millimeter. So let's go here in Excel, and I'll go with this. This is okay, and right click, move or copy, and move to and create copy, press OK. Rename this one with the concrete for column in SS superstructure. This is okay. Concrete for column in superstructure. Let me delete all of this stuff from here. I do not need this one. And concrete for column in superstructure. This is C1. And next to it, how many C1 we have? We have total of 13 C1 we know. And I'll put it as 13. Then next to it, what about the length and the breadth? Cross-sectional area I know 225 by 225 millimeter means 0.225 by 0.225. Next to it, we need to add here the height. Height we have find out already in the form work, that is 2.775. Hit enter. Next to it, we need to find out the total volume. This is equal to numbers multiply by we have length, multiply by we have breadth, multiply by we have height. So it will give us the total volume over here, that is 1.82 cubic meter of concrete we need in columns in superstructure. Now if in your case you have C1, C2, C3, you can find out accordingly as we did in the form work. You can go with C2, you can put here number of C2, then you can give here length of C2, breadth of C2, height of C2, and then finally you can find out the total quantity over here for C2, and at the end you will find the total quantity for both of these C1 and C2 over here. So this is basically the process to find out concrete